Hello children, today we are going to start our next topic, that is regarding time. Previously you were doing conversions and addition and subtraction in time, but today we are going to deal with the situations that are based on time. Story problems based on time basically. So the first concept or the first type of story problem is that you need to find out the duration between the two time given. You have done it in your class 4th also. So let us start to find out the duration. First of all, do you know what is the duration? Duration is time taken between the two given times. Like from now 11 a.m. What is the duration between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m.? That is 11 to 12 1 hour, 12 to 1 2 hours. So that is 2 hour means वो वाला टाइम कितनी देर का था, that is duration. Okay, and duration is always given or calculated in hours and minutes. So to find out the duration between the given time, you need to draw a timeline. What is that timeline? That is 12:56 will be the starting time, and after 12:56 which o'clock is there? That is 1 o'clock. Okay. After 1 o'clock there is 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock 3 o'clock, and after 3 that is 3:43 p.m. Okay. Now you need to calculate the time covered during this timeline. Like 12:56 to 1. 12 to 1 is how many minutes? There are 60 minutes. Okay. So in between this 60 minutes, 56 minutes have been passed. So how much time is left? 60 minus 56, that is only 4 minutes. Okay. So 1 to 2 there is 1 hour, 2 to 3 there is 1 hour, and 3 to 3:43 there is 43 minutes. So how much is the duration? So the duration is 1 hour plus 1 hour 2 hours, and 43 plus 4 minutes. So this is 2 hours and 47 minutes. Okay. So the B part you will also do in the same way. In question number 2, now here you need to find out the starting time, finish time, duration, whatever will be asked you will be doing in the rest of the exercise. Like in question number 2, it has been asked what will be the time 4 hour 25 minutes after 6:45 p.m. After means इसके बाद, means you need to find out the finish time. Okay. So finish time, there are 3 things that you will be dealing with. Finish time, starting time, and duration. Okay. So starting time here is 6:45 p.m. and duration is 4 hours 25 minutes. So as finish time is after time, बाद वाले time को हम finish time कहते हैं, and it is always more than the starting time. So to find the finish time, we will always add duration in starting time. What is the duration? That is 4 hours 25 minutes. But here you need to keep in mind the AM and PM. So you should better write PM. So now finish time is you need to add. First of all, keep that thing in mind. Add the minutes separately, add the time separately. Don't carry over if it is there. So it is 10. This is 7. Minutes I have added. Now 10. Now finish time. Actually it is the time that you need to answer. So it cannot be like this only. It should have AM or PM with it. so that you can identify which time is that. It is morning time or afternoon time. So this is 10:70 and घड़ी में कभी भी 70 नहीं बजते हैं. कहाँ तक टाइम मिनट्स होते हैं? 59. After 59 it is an o'clock time. Okay, so we need to subtract 60 from here and add 1 here, so it will be 11:10. Now the question arises, it is AM or PM. First of all, you need to identify the starting time was PM, means ये शाम का आफ्टरनून का टाइम है, तो उसके 4 hours after, that is 11, ये रात के 11:10 है, that means it is the time of PM. Both the things are equally important. You need to add it carefully, you need to carry forward carefully, and you need to keep AM and PM carefully. That is equally important.